Guys, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Don't tell anybody else. I just got a bunch of these brushes online for under $6 each. Yeah. They're exactly the same as other leading brands because they buy them from this company. Check out links down below. They're the super soft brushes. You have the long-handled one, you have the short-handled one. They come in a variety of colors. I chose black and blue because that's kind of my colors. Super excited about these. And they just came in today, and it only took about a week to come in. It may vary depending on where you live, but they are exactly the same as other leading brands out there. Now you may see this looks a little bit plusher. It's because I've had this one for over 2 years and I've been using it, and it's incredible. So if you want to pick up brushes like this, get a bunch of them so that you can use them for wet work, for dry work, for dusting, for all sorts of stuff. These are super plush. Very excited. Don't tell anyone else. Check out the links down below and buy them for under $6 each. If you're enjoying the videos, subscribe for more. Click that bell so you don't miss stuff. All right, I gotta go.